Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about how we have to handle the radio button in Cypress. So let's start the practical demonstration. Before that, I'm going to explain what we are going to do. So here, first we have to go to the WebDriver University web page and we have to go to this card drop down checkbox radio. So we are going to use radio button. So after this, here you can see multiple radio buttons. So we have to check any one of the radio buttons here, and we have to evaluate in this in a Cypress. Let's start to implement in Cypress. First of all, I'm going to create a new spec file called radio.cy.js and copy the values from the previous code. So here I'm going to copy and close this one and paste it here. So I don't need this two codes, so I'm going to remove these things, and here I'm going to change the description to radio, and here normally the website has been visited, and here this condition click the particular card which we used in previous video itself, so we don't need to change this ID here. Next we have to select the radio button. So to check the radio button CSS or class name, we are going to see the Cypress. So here I'm going to select the end-to-end testing, and next we have to select the file which we want to test. So wait for a few seconds. Here we can see the files. So close this file. Here scroll down and check for the radio file. So if we click this radio file, here the evaluation will be started. The landing page has been arrived and it clicked the card and it navigating toward the radio page. So I want to select this radio button blue. So I am going to select this CSS and place it here and provide check. So now the value will be checked in the Cypress environment. You can see here the particular value has been selected. So in case we want to select using the values of the radio button, we can also do that. For that, I'm going here and I'm going to select the value of this orange. So orange, here you can see values for every radio button. For orange, the value itself orange. So I'm going to Cypress and I'm pasting the value, and here I'm going to remove this and I'm going to change type radio. Now it will select the radio button which has the value orange. You can see here the orange value has been selected here. To evaluate the radio button, we should use assertions like should and be dot checked and go to the Cypress. It will trigger again. So you can see here the assertion showing the text has been succeed. In case if you are going to give not be added checked, it will check the button is not checked. If it is checked means it will throw some error. So here you can see we are checking for the condition which is not checked, but the condition, the use case is checked, so the test case has been failed. So I'm going to remove not and test again. The whole test will be succeed and the result will be green in the accession you can see here. This is how the radio button is working in a Cypress. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.